Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers 1 to 20. Red color. The next one is yellow color. Black color. Blue color. Green color. The last one is brown color. Now we draw numbers 1 to 20. First we draw the number of 1 and now we use red color. Red color. Now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. And the next one is 3. The number of 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now we draw 4. The number of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw the number of 5. Kids, now we use yellow color and draw 6. Yellow color. The number of 6. The next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. And now we draw 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. The next one is 9. The number of 9. Now we draw 10. T-E-N, 10. Kids, now we draw the number of 10. The next one is 11. Kids, now we use black color and draw the number of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. And now we draw 13. The number of 13. The next one is 14. Now we draw the number of 14. The next one is 15. We again use black color and draw the number of 15. Now we use blue color. Blue color. The number of 16. Now we draw 16. The next one is 17. And now we draw 18. Kids, now we draw the number of 18. We again use blue color. Kids, please subscribe to our channel. 19. Now we draw the number of 19. And the next one is 20. The last one is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.